Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix security policy prevents the installation of this application error on a Samsung phone. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to your settings, okay? And then click on app management, all right? Now what I want you to do is click here on special app access and then click on install unknown apps. And what I want you to do is choose the app, okay? Look for that specific app that is not installing for you. And then what I want you to do is click, for example, right here on Brave, click on allow from the source, toggle this one on, okay? And that's all you have to really do. And then if this one is off, it will not be installing. It would give you the error messages. So do that with any app you want. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.